Example 5, you're asked to find the slope of the graph at a given point. So for us to do this, we need to take the derivative with respect to x on both sides. I notice on the left-hand side, we're going to use the chain rule, where the square is the outer function and x squared plus y squared is the inner function. And on the right-hand side, I need to use the product rule. So to get started, we're going to give us 10 x squared plus y squared to the first power, that's the outer function, times the derivative of the inner function is going to give me 2x plus 2y. Don't forget the chain rule for that as well, dy dx is equal to, and then using the product rule on the other side, it's going to be 676 x times the derivative of y is dy dx, plus the second times the derivative of the first, which is 676. I'm going to do a little algebraic manipulation here. I'm going to multiply through by 10 to the x squared and y squared, and then distribute the 10x squared to both of the terms in the second binomial over here. So that's going to give me 20x cubed plus 20x squared y dy dx plus, and then we're going to do 10 times y squared times 2x, so that's going to give me 20x squared, let's see, x times y squared it would be, and then 10 times 10y squared times 2y is going to give me 20y cubed dy dx in this particular case. Polish the other side off a little bit, 676 x dy dx is equal, oh, not equal to, but plus 676y. Then group all of the dy dx terms. In this case, I'm just going to put it on the left and everything else on the right, and I'm going to factor out the dy dx. So dy dx, all of the terms, I have 20x squared y plus 20y cubed minus 676x is equal to, then we have 676y minus 20x cubed minus 20xy squared. And then solve for dy dx. And the one thing I notice is that for every term, I think 4 goes into every single term. So let's divide everything by 4. So that's going to give me 169y minus 5x cubed minus 5xy squared. And in the denominator, we get 5x squared y plus 5y cubed minus 169x. And I want to find it at the point where x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 1. So then we substitute in 169 times y is 1 minus 5 times 5 cubed minus 5 times 5 times 1 squared. And in the denominator, it's 5 times 5 squared times 1 plus 5 times 1 cubed minus 169 times 5, like so. And once you do all of the arithmetic, whoops, let's see, in the numerator, we should be getting 169 minus 125, no, minus 625, minus 625, minus 25, I think. Okay, that's negative 481 over, and then we get 125 plus 5, so that's 130, and then subtract, so 130 minus 169 times 5. So that's negative 715. So that is, let's see, I wonder if that reduces 481 over 715. That reduces to about 37 over 55. So that is going to give me a slope here. Ooh, that wasn't very accurately drawn, but it's going to give me a slope of approximately a half, maybe a bit steeper than a half, somewhere between a half and 1, which is 35 over some. The decimal notation would be 0.6727 for that. All right, pause it and find B. Do the same thing for B. On B, the left is a product rule, and so is the right. I highlighted them to just point that out.